Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn something about titanium, its production, marketing and answer few questions like which country has the highest production, where does India stands in the world production and many more. So let's move on without wasting any more time. What is titanium? It is lustrous transition metal with a silver color, low density and high strength. Titanium is resistant to corrosion in seawater, aqua regia and chlorine. It was named after Titans of Greek mythology. The element occurs within a number of mineral deposits. It is found in almost all living things, as well as bodies of water, rocks, and soils. The metal is extracted from its principal mineral ores by Kroll and Hunter processes, which we will see shortly. The most common compound, titanium dioxide, is a popular photocatalyst and is used in manufacture of white pigments. Titanium tetrachloride, component of smokescreen and catalyst. Titanium trichloride, which is used as a catalyst in production of polypropylene. Titanium can be alloyed with iron, aluminium, vanadium, and molybdenum among other elements to produce strong lightweight alloys for aerospace, jet engines, missiles, and spacecraft, military and industrial processes, automotive, agriculture, medical processes, orthopedic plants, dental and endodontic instruments and files, dental implants, sporting goods, jewelry, mobile phones, and other applications. The two most useful properties of the metal are corrosive resistance and strength to density ratio, the highest of any metal element. In its unalloyed condition, titanium is as strong as some steels but less dense. The processing of titanium metal occurs in four major steps. First, reduction of titanium ore into sponge, a porous form. Second, melting of sponge or sponge plus a master alloy to form an ingot. Third, primary fabrication, where an ingot is converted into general mill products such as billet, bar, plate, sheet, strip, and tube. Fourth, secondary fabrication of finished shapes from mill products. Because it cannot be readily produced by reduction of titanium dioxide, titanium metal is obtained by reduction of titanium tetrachloride with magnesium metal in the Kroll process. The complexity of this batch production in the Kroll process explains the relatively high market value of titanium, despite the Kroll process being less expensive than the Hunter process, which we have seen earlier. Which country is leader in titanium production? Yes, you guessed it right. It is China. China's titanium sponge capacity increased to 107,000 tons per year in 2018, up 17% from last year 2017. Now we will see about our beloved India stand in world market. India is endowed with large resources of heavy minerals which occur mainly along coastal stretches of the country and also in inland places. Heavy mineral sands comprise a group of seven minerals: ilmenite, leucocene, rutile, zircon, sillimanite, garnet and monazite. Ilmenite and rutile are the two chief minerals of titanium. Titanium dioxide occurs in polymorphic forms as rutile, anatase, and brookite. Though brookite is not found on a large scale in nature, it is an alteration product of other titanium minerals. Leucocene is an alteration product of ilmenite and is usually found associated with ilmenite. We have seen earlier in processing of titanium that how titanium is extracted from its oxide, as in Kroll's process and Hunter process. The average grade of total heavy minerals in this deposit is 10 to 25%, of which 30 to 40% is ilmenite. Mining and processing of these sand are carried out by RREL, a Government of India undertaking, KMML, a Kerala state government undertaking, and two private sector producers, namely Messrs VV Mineral Thoothukudi, Tamil Nadu, and Messrs Beach Minerals Company Private Limited, Kuttam, Tamil Nadu. Exploration work of beach sand deposits located at Chavara in Kerala, Gopalpur in Orissa, and Manavalu-Kuruchi in Tamil Nadu by IREL is under process. Two types of mining techniques are used: wet and dry. In wet mining operations, involving use of two dredge and wet concentrator of 100 tons per hour capacity each to exploit the inland deposit away from the beaches. In dry mining, Beach washings laden with 40 to 70% heavy minerals are collected through front-end loaders and bulldozers for further concentration to 90% heavy minerals at land-based concentrators. Though dry mining is very simple and economic, there is considerable opposition by local people for this form of mining for reasons that removal of sand would expose the land area to sea erosion. At Chavara, beach sand was collected over a stretch of 22 kilometers. At Manawala-Kuruchi, the deposit is spread over 300 hectares. The sand deposits of Oscom at Chhatrapur in district Ganjam extend along the coast of Bay of Bengal with an average width of 1.5 kilometers and average depth of 7.5 meters. Manawala-Kuruchi was the first plant to install a DWC 100 tons per hour, followed by one 500 tons per hour at Oscom and two each of 100 tons per hour at Chhatrapur. The concentrate 90% heavy minerals of beach washing plant from DWC is further upgraded to 97% heavy mineral grade at concentrated upgradation plant before sending it to mineral separation plant. The mineral separation plants use variety of equipment such as gravity concentration, high tension electrostatic separator and magnetic separators, making use of difference in physical properties like electrical conductivity, magnetic susceptibility and difference in specific gravity, etc. Individual minerals like ilmenite, rutile, zircon, sillimanite and garnet are separated. Ilmenite obtained from mineral separation plant is chemically treated to remove impurities such as iron to obtain synthetic rutile in synthetic rutile plant. Indian SRP is based on reduction roasting followed by acid leaching with or without generation of hydrochloric acid. The demand for titanium in India would be approximately 1,000 tons by 2035. The contribution by space sector 100 tons, general engineering 50 tons, atomic energy 125 tons, aeronautical 50 tons, power generation 150 tons, petroleum refinery 50 tons and chemical industry 475 tons as per Technology Vision Document 2035. Present domestic titanium metal production is negligible in country. Almost 90% of world's titanium mineral production is used in manufacture of white titanium dioxide pigment. This brings us to the end of our video. Hope you have enjoyed it and learned something about titanium in this video. We will meet again with new element in new video. Till then, goodbye. Cheers.